it's Jeff Summers with Watching Now, and today an unboxing of a fantastic watch brand, a Pilot's watch from Hamilton, H76712151, the Hamilton Red Bull Commemorative Air Race watch. So here we go. Trusty knife and opening. Oh, this is, there we go. Maybe we'll open it on this side. What side is up? There we go. All right. Oh, so there we have that. And inside the box. Well, I got this from Joma's shop, and they have like a sticker that you get, and then of course the receipt. We'll talk about what I paid for it a little bit later. Certificate of authenticity. All right. All right. So here we go. There's the Hamilton box. Let's open this up here. In typical Hamilton fashion, we have Hamilton. Let's open it up. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful presentation so far. And let's put that there. Rest of the box, put it down there. Here we go. Okay. Oh wow. Let's see here. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. All right, let's take it out and see what we have. Whoa. Look at this bad boy. It's all nicely wrapped, you know. We'll have to take this wrapping off.
There's a lot of protective wrapping on this watch here. So try to do this quickly and efficiently. And got one here wrapped on the buckle here, the clasp rather. Take that off there and see if this comes off. That's on pretty good. Might worry about that later. On the inside, of course, we have more wrapping. And there we go. Okay, so there it is.
Just to tell you some about this watch, as I said, it was a commemorative watch for an air race, airplane race, and this is really cool. If you go online and check out the 2018 Red Bull Air Race, you will see Hamilton planes and the official Hamilton pilots racing their airplanes, and they're wearing this watch, and it's a really spectacular display of aeronautics. So it is a true pilot's watch, and the dimensions are 44 millimeters in diameter. So it's rather a large watch, but when you're, you know, flying a plane, you need to be able to tell the time real quick, and you know, so that's probably why it's rather large. 11 millimeters thick. The lug width is 22 millimeters. And on the dial, we have, you know, the chronograph, and it has a silver dial. There's a date right below the 4 o'clock region, which they go with 5, 10, 15, 20. And there's also a checkered flag right there up top, checkered flag, kind of glorifying that racing aspect to this watch. Sapphire crystal and water resistant to 100 meters. The quartz movement is a good one. It's an ETA 251.274, and the watch is made entirely of stainless steel. And yes, there is loom on the watch. And you have a nice, easy fold-over clasp. All right, just hit these 2 buttons and release it. I said earlier I was going to let you know the pricing of the watch. Now, if you go to Hamilton.com, you will find out that it is 900 plus, I think it's 945 what they're selling it for. I got this watch for an absolute steal, a little bit over $300. I got it from Joma's shop. I'm going to give you a full review on this watch a week or two from now, so be on the lookout for that, and we'll be able to spend some time with the watch and take it outside, and then I'll give you my full opinion after wearing it for a while. So let's put it on the wrist, see what we have here. Now, it's not sized, so it's going to be huge probably on my on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. That's what it looks like. All right, there you go. And that's it. Like it or not, that is my unboxing of this Hamilton Red Bull Pilot watch. So, have a great day, or evening, or night, or whenever you're watching this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.